Hello and welcome to Tom's Foreign Auto Parts video portion of our inventory. Here we have an excellent running 2000 Toyota Celica. This is a GTS model. It has an excellent running 1.8 liter California emissions engine. It also has an automatic transmission, cruise control, anti-lock brakes, and is also front wheel drive. The production date of this vehicle is May of 2000. The vehicle does currently have 137,000 miles. It also has a very nice black and gray leather interior, standard climate control, a factory AM/FM cassette with in-dash CD player as well. The vehicle does also have a factory tachometer, and as I had mentioned before, the vehicle does have 137,000 miles, as you can see here. We had purchased this vehicle locally through one of our auctions due to a right rear collision. The vehicle still has several good body parts and has an excellent drivetrain as well. And you can also visit us on the web at www.tomsforeign.com. This concludes the video portion of our inventory. Thank you.